Welcome to Monsoon Park, your ultimate destination for unforgettable events and a relaxing retreat into nature. Whether you're celebrating a wedding, engagement, birthday party, or any special occasion, with a modern design and a welcoming atmosphere, we ensure that every event is memorable. The venue features a beautiful open lawn ideal for outdoor events, from intimate gatherings to large celebrations. Additionally, it consists of enclosed structure with separate entries for men and women, providing privacy and comfort. Every detail has been considered to make your event seamless. The facility includes spacious parking area, well-maintained bathrooms, separate bride and groom room. Moreover, exciting developments are underway, with more rooms being added, including a suite room designed specifically for couples seeking extra comfort and privacy. Venue's spacious hall is the perfect setting for a wide range of events, including a huge kitchen to cater to all your culinary needs. But that's not all. The venue is surrounded by a lush plantation, featuring a variety of tropical fruits like banana, papaya, avocado, dragon fruit, rambutan, macadamia, and many more exotic delights. For nature lovers and families, it also has a serene fish pond to enjoy, and a water park is under construction that will add even more fun and excitement to your visit. Whether you're planning an event or just want to escape to a peaceful and vibrant environment, Monsoon Park has something for everyone. Come, experience nature, luxury, and unforgettable